Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, today's video is a game changer. We're tackling how to send Matic from Tangem Wallet to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring tokens like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need the Tangem Wallet app on your device, a bit of Matic in your Tangem account, and your Coinbase Wallet address handy. Double-check that address. Crypto mistakes can be costly, so no typos allowed. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard. Look for the Matic token in your asset list. If it's not there, ensure your wallet is connected to the Polygon network. That's crucial for Matic transfers. Next, select the Matic you want to send. Tap on it to open the details, then hit the Send or Transfer button. Now, enter the recipient's address. That's your Coinbase wallet address. Be precise. You'll also need to specify the amount of Matic to transfer. Remember, factor in any network fees to avoid surprises. Before confirming, review everything carefully. Check the amount, the address, and the fees. Once you're good, hit confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Sit tight while the blockchain processes it. This usually takes a minute or two. And just like that, your Matic should be on its way to Coinbase. Head over to your Coinbase Wallet app to confirm the receipt. If you run into any issues, always reach out to the wallet's support or double-check your steps. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, smash that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.